How to combine and merge videos on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With your iPhone, now you can combine and merge the videos. For this, here is what you should do. From your app library, head over to the section of iMovies. Swipe up the option of Start New Project and tap on Movie section. This way, you can make a movie from scratch using media from photos and your camera. Head over to the media type and select the photos, videos or the backgrounds that you want to add or merge. Once you do so, tap on the option and select the photos and videos that you want in the video or the merged video. Once you have selected all the related items, tap on Done and you will see a movie created or merged together. Now if you want to edit, you can make the necessary changes. You can voice over to the video, add soundtracks or music into the video. To do so, just scroll down to the soundtrack and tap on the plus button. And this way, now you can just tap on done and your video or the merged video is ready to use. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.